Welcome to Weight Loss. Transform your life with a low-carb diet in just 2 weeks. If you've been struggling to lose weight and are looking for a solution that delivers results quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the incredible benefits of a low-carb diet and show you how it can lead to rapid weight loss. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey to a healthier, happier you. Getting started, ready to kickstart your low-carb journey? Here's how to get started: plan your meals, prepare a list of low-carb foods and create meal plans, stock your pantry, replace high-carb foods with low-carb alternatives, stay hydrated, drink plenty of water to support weight loss, exercise, incorporate regular physical activity for optimal results. Sample meal plan. To help you get started, let's take a look at a sample low-carb meal plan for a day. Remember, variety is key, and you can adjust it to suit your preferences and dietary needs. Tracking your progress. It's crucial to monitor your progress during your 2-week low-carb journey. Keep a journal to record your meals, feelings, and any challenges you face. This will help you stay accountable and motivated. Success stories. Real people, real results. Listen to inspiring success stories from individuals who have transformed their lives with a low-carb diet. Their stories will motivate you to stay on track and reach your weight loss goals. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on health and wellness.